Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to our channel, where we always keep our finger on the pulse of the crypto world. Today, November 27th, 2025, we're talking about Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, which is once again in the spotlight. Whether you're an investor, a trader, or just an enthusiast, this review is for you. We'll break down the latest news, prices, forecasts, and what it all means for your portfolio. Discover Etherify, a proven project in the field of crypto staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which speaks to the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Etherify uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by validating transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract long-term partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which is significantly higher than standard terms. My experience with Etherify confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning over $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of favorable conditions while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most attractive staking rates. First, let's talk about the most important thing, the price. Ethereum has shown confident growth today. According to market data, ETH jumped by 3.06%, reaching $3,021.01. This is the highest closing level at 5 p.m. since November 18, 2025, when it was trading at $3,097.14. The increase amounted to $89.60 in a single day. Just imagine, in only one day, Ethereum increased in price, and this is happening amid the overall market recovery after the November downturn. Why is this important? Because this jump came from a key support level at $2,650, forming a megaphone pattern that could push the price up to $3,650. If the trend stays above $3,000, we'll see a breakout to $3,550, $3,650. But if the support breaks, a pullback is possible. Keep an eye on this. Now, let's move on to the broader context. The crypto market is in the green today. Bitcoin broke above $90,000 ahead of Thanksgiving, followed by Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin. This is a broad rally triggered by a recovery after the November turmoil, derivatives sell-offs, a drop in gas fees, and overall volatility. Ethereum is holding strong despite the recent November shakeup. Analysts note that ETH could recover from this downturn, especially considering institutional interest. For example, the BNMR fund of Tom Lee, a well-known analyst, has already accumulated 3% of the total Ethereum supply. That's about 2 to 3% of their target of 5%. They continue to aggressively buy up ETH, which signals a long-term bullish sentiment. Institutions aren't joking around. Such accumulation could push the price up by billions of dollars in market capitalization. So, what do the forecasts say? By the end of November 2025, experts see the potential for growth up to $3,900 and some even up to $4,000. Ethereum started November at a technical crossroads, with volatility following a quiet summer. The forecast for the next 7 days, tomorrow, November 28th, the price could reach $2,994.90, which is 6.27% higher than today, and by 2025 to 2030, if ETH maintains its trajectory, we could see targets of $4,800 and above. But remember, the market is fickle, and factors like the ETH-BTC ratio approaching a key compression point could trigger an altcoin season. Right now, ETH-BTC is on the edge. If it breaks through, altcoins, including Ethereum, will soar. Let's not overlook the ecosystem. On X, formerly Twitter, discussions are heating up. From NFT sales on OpenSea, where Mutant Ape Yacht Club number 1004 was sold for 0.88 ETH, which equals $2,652.10, to stocks on Binance. Binance has launched passive income on ETH. Subscribe to ETH flexible products and share in a reward pool of 30 million tokens. It's a great way to earn without risk, especially for holders. Another highlight is the Espresso project, which has raised over $60 million from top investors like A16Z, Coinbase, and Sequoia. They're preparing an airdrop, and this could become one of the largest TGEs in the Ethereum ecosystem. If you follow infrastructure, Espresso is a must-watch, as they are changing the entire landscape. Compared to competitors, XRP won't return to $3 anytime soon, while Ethereum is ready to skyrocket, especially with Bitcoin already at 90,000. Solana and XRP are also growing, but ETH is leading in terms of institutional interest. On Reddit and X, the community discusses everything from daily Ethereum debates to farming in projects like River and Vo. For example, Vo is an aggregator of perp DEX with chain abstraction. The final stage is underway with the 19th epoch, and users are competing for mindshare. And in River, the 4 fundamentals emphasize discipline. Build habits, farm daily, and the results will come. This is a reminder. In Web3, success comes from consistency, not luck. What's next? If Ethereum breaks through resistance, we'll see a new bull cycle. But there are risks: volatility, regulations, and macroeconomics. Advice: diversify. Watch gas fees and don't FOMO. For long-term holders, this is a golden time. With updates like Denkin and Preg, Ethereum is strengthening its position as a base. For DeFi, NFT, and also A. See you in the next video. Stay in the green.